do a lot of work with pallets. So I've got a rough lumber. I don't have a jointer. So I created a really simple jig that I can use on my table saw for giving me a perfectly straight edge. I basically just line this edge up with my fence, set it so that there's, I don't know, a 1/16 of an inch between this face and my fence. Whichever side I want to have straight, I set it in there. I've got sandpaper down here to keep it in solid. Just a hinge, a handle. I had a little piece of rubber that I had from something. I don't throw anything out, that's why. You never know when you'll need it. So simple gate hinge, piece of plywood, a couple scraps of wood. Really easy to make. And I find that it works extremely well. Set this piece to whatever amount I want to take off. Perfectly straight cut. I can then, now I've got a flat surface, I can then make my final cut with that. And I find that this combination of sandpaper and the hinge and the force on it keeps the piece really, really solid. Like it doesn't move at all, and I'm not pushing extremely hard. But it stays in there really surprisingly well, actually. I hope you can see that, but it really is perfectly straight. For glue ups, I could just glue those without any other preparation. Don't need to do a jointer, and that joint would be perfect as far as I'm concerned. There you go. Simple, easy, quick to make, nothing fancy. Adjustable, so I can do really wider pieces because it follows my fence and not one of the runners in my table saw. So very versatile, and I find that I use it quite a bit. So make your own, guarantee you use it. Especially if you use pallets like I do, or rough lumber.